Hello, inspectors and engineers. Ever been stuck mid-inspection wishing someone could just tell you the answer instantly? Say hello to your new digital teammate, the AI assistant inside AsInt IntelliSuite. Just tap the chatbot icon from your app home screen and tap on the AI assistant. Ask anything. What is CUI? Or show me the inspection checklist. Instant answers, quick troubleshooting, and seamless navigation, all through simple conversation. It's like having a Sense knowledge base right in your pocket. But what if you could see the damage before it becomes a problem? Meet the image detection feature, powered by AI Vision. Upload or capture an image, and it automatically highlights cracks, corrosion, or leaks in seconds. Fast, accurate, and consistent. It's like having a second pair of expert eyes on the job. And finally, for those who live and breathe data, the Data Scraper makes data extraction effortless. Upload an image, PDF, or Excel file, and watch it automatically pull structured data for analysis, inspection, or compliance. Goodbye manual copy-paste. Hello productivity. Together, the AI assistant, damage detection, and data scraper form a connected ecosystem. Smarter, faster, simpler. Experience the power of AI inside AsInt IntelliSuite. Scan the QR code to book a demo, or click the link in the description to get started today.